Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through both the interior and exterior major talking points and features, and of course give you a good show around the exterior and overall condition of this 530i M Sport Saloon. The vehicle itself is presented in the fantastic BlueStone metallic, and alongside that we've fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which really enhances the already very striking looks of the 5 Series. We've also added the 20-inch 706M style alloy wheels, which are already very known for being fitted to the M5 version of this vehicle. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2018 18 plate, so it does come with the all-new LED style angel eye and LED projector headlamps. Another very striking and potent feature, and a very important one for the front of this vehicle, is the active Airstream kidney grills, which you can see on the front. So currently they are shut, so you see these parts in between the very nice gloss additions that we've made to this car. These little parts will open up under certain engine characteristics and depending on what engine performance mode you are in, to of course improve cooling and of course the overall aerodynamics of the vehicle alongside fuel economy as well. Down the side of the vehicle we've got the very nice gloss black air breathers, which you can see just set behind the front wheels. Alongside that being the 530i, we've also got the M Sport Plus brakes. They're much bigger on both the front and rear, as well as being finished in that very nice blue colour, which really does set them off sitting behind the 20-inch alloy wheels. The overall condition of this vehicle, being a very low mileage 2018 plate, is very nice all the way around, including the interior. You'll also notice we've got the sun protection glazing option. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, which is the Dakota leather with the oyster highlights once again. So down the central portion, we've both got the oyster stitching, and there is that very nice oyster piping. The front seats come with both the heated and the part electric movement, so the bases are electrically moved as well as the backrest. You'll also see another nice feature for the 5 Series, which of course has been carried over to a lot of the further ranges now, which is the ambient lighting feature, which of course you can customize to suit your color wants and needs. In the rear of the vehicle, of course being a 5 Series, it is exceptionally large. You have a 3-seat rear bench with a center folding armrest, and is all very comfortable and very spacious. We've got the darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there, and again that standout ambient lighting currently set in blue. Making our way towards the rear of the vehicle, not before showing you again the 20-inch alloy wheels. Being all brand new, they are completely all unmarked, and of course having brand new tyres, there is huge amounts of life left in them. At the rear of the vehicle we've added both the gloss rear diffuser and gloss rear spoiler, and we've got an exceptionally large boot space. On the 5 Series Saloon, you'll also find the genuine BMW floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle, and there you can get just a sense of how large this boot space is, which of course makes the vehicle an ideal everyday, along with a weekend travel vehicle. Towards the side of down the other side of the car, you see again how nicely presented this BlueStone metallic paint is, as well as how well it works in combination with all the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. So we'll take one last look at the stunning alloy wheels before I head on inside the vehicle to of course go over some of the very special and very intelligent features of the 5 Series. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside these very nice leather seats. We're greeted by the digital cockpit that comes on the 2018 onwards 5 Series. I'll start the car up first of all, and we'll run through just a few other features of that digital cockpit. Currently the vehicle's in comfort, so we get a fairly regular looking display. So as you can see there, we've got a fairly normal looking RPM and speedo. However, if I engage sport, we get a very nice large digital speedo, and everything glows red, and we get that lovely M highlight display in the central section. And we can also change the displays around to give it an even more sportier look, and it is the same for if we go down into Eco Pro. We'll move over now and take a look at the professional wide navigation and media screen, which is all touchscreen on this year of 5 Series. Again, this is a very nice user-friendly system, but don't worry if you're not a fan of touchscreen, they still provide you with the iDrive scroll wheel down here in the central section of the dash. So there you can zoom out, and we'll zoom back in and just click the home screen and run through just a few of the features and functions of this. So of course we've got the navigation, which again being all touchscreen, really nice and simple to use. We can pinch to zoom, much like your smartphone devices. We can touch, and that is where we can set destinations to, along with of course using the keypad and as well as voice recognition to say where we would like to set the destination to. We've got Connected Drive Plus, giving us access to online search, news and weather functions. DAB, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs covering everything from your USB, your AUX inputs, your Bluetooth audio and your music collection. Because it is the professional version of this, we can store and rip music directly to the car's hard drive. The vehicle itself, if we go over and take a look at the My Vehicle status, you can of course now see that everything is highlighted in green, giving an indication of that everything is all okay and there's plenty of service life left in everything. 12,000 miles left till next service, and the service history, we've got full BMW service history on this vehicle, and that is of course because this vehicle has only covered just over 20,000 miles, so an extremely low mileage example of a stunning 530i M Sport. It does also include the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, as well as cruise and the speed limiter functions as well. So with all our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and hopefully it will help you make an informed decision on purchasing your next car. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Alongside that, in the description you'll find both the relevant links to the website along with contact details to get in touch with us direct. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. We do hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, take care and goodbye.